Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the first crypto news. The Facebook and Instagram is going to allow users to create, display and sell NFTs. So there is big news coming from Meta. So Meta is the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. So they are going to allow users to create, display and sell NFTs. The next news is about the 25 stocks that have been recommended by motilal for the next 25 years. So this is for the long-term investors, and the list includes the names, the quality names, and here is the list: Ajanta Pharma, Alembic Pharma, Astral Poly, AU Small Finance, Bajaj Finance, Bata, Bayer Crop Science, Coromandel International, Dixon Technologies, Dr. Lalpat Labs, HDFC AMC, HDFC Bank, HDFC Life Insurance, Honeywell Auto, ICICI Lombard, ICICI Securities, India Mart, Intermesh, Max Financials, Mphasis, Muthoot Finance, P&G Health, Page Industries, Shingen International, Varun Beverages and Whirlpool India. So for the next 25 years, Motilal Oswal thinks that these stocks will continue to deliver good returns for the investors. So if you are a long-term investor, do not ignore these stocks. Get some stocks into your portfolio and keep invested. Don't sell it. The next news is about the Porinju, so one of the renowned investor in India, and he has exited and entered some of the stocks. So let's have a look at what stocks he has exited and what stocks he has entered. Agrotech Food, Eastern Trades, Danilo Technologies and Iris Business Services. So he has exited from the stocks. Partially exited, and the news entries that he has made is in Aurum PropTech. You can see here Aurum PropTech, Taneja Aerospace and Aviation, and Ansel Buildwell. So these three stocks he has bought, and whenever Porinju buys some stocks, they have potential to grow by like 4x 5x like that, but some stocks even have turned out to be a disaster. Like some stocks haven't given any returns. So whenever you want to invest in these stocks, do not invest huge money. Invest small amounts, and then you might get like 4 bagger or 5 bagger out of these stocks. Let's move to the next news. %71% of Warren Buffett's portfolio is in below 5 stocks only. So Warren Buffett is holding the concentrated portfolio, and 71% of his portfolio includes Apple, Bank of America, then American Express, Coca-Cola and Kraft Heinz. So Warren Buffett's portfolio is very huge, and that's the reason he's investing in these companies. But for the retail investors, you might want to invest in other companies which are not that big but have good growth potential. The next is about the Herenba Capital initiated on Herenba Industries, and target price they have given is 1073. So there is a capex going on, and they see that there is a good growth potential in this particular stock. The next news is about the Solana. Solana NFT total sales volume has crossed $1 billion. So Solana is a big competitor for the Ethereum, and I see Solana giving good returns for the investors. As compared to Ethereum, Solana will be giving better returns as per my understanding. The next news is about some of the stocks and the companies where debt reduction is happening. So Coffee Day, Rosary, TCI Express, Polycab, Lux Industries, Divi's Lab, Dollar Industries, Atul Limited. So all these companies, there has been debt reduction going on, and whenever company is reducing the debt, there is a good potential in the stock, like stock returns will be higher whenever company is reducing the debt. The next news is a stock principle. So what this principle talks about is that 80% of the return comes in 20% of the time. So you have to keep invested. Like in 5 years time period, in just 1 year you will get the returns, and rest of the 4 years will be like up and down. So you have to keep invested to get the returns from the market. If you just sell out of fear, then you will make the losses. So just stay invested. Don't worry about the news, whatever is going to happen or going on around you. Just ignore the news and then stay your course. The next is about the Polygon. So Polygon is gonna stake $189 million worth of Matic on the Bitfinex exchange. So that is the news coming from the Polygon, and Polygon is a company or the foundation or the firm set up in India. This guy with the spectacle is uh, is the founder of the Matic, and also he has got these two partners as well along with him. Then oldest US bank saying that we are excited about smart contracts and the potential of tokenization. So this has wide applications in the financial systems, and it has the ability to disrupt the financial systems basically. So that's why I'm very bullish on the crypto as such. The next news is about the Amazon and Walmart comparison. So there has been massive growth in Amazon since in last 20 years, but if you look at the Walmart hasn't grown that much as compared to Amazon. So Walmart's revenue was like $118 billion in 1997, which grew to $683 billion. Actually, it is estimated in 2027. But if you look at the Amazon had $148 million revenue in 1997, and by 2027 it is going to be $1 trillion of revenue for the Amazon. So massive growth by Amazon that is shown, and Walmart, it is just the using the oldest model of the business, and that's the reason they have not grown that much. The next very massive or big news coming from the crypto space: Google is exploring letting users store crypto in digital cards. So that is really massive news, because Google has been hesitant telling publicly that they are supporting the crypto, but this news tells us that Google is also exploring the crypto space as well. The next news is coming from India. Ramesh Damani and Anil Kumar Goyal have joined hands in Panama Petro. So they have bought the stake in the Panama Petroleum, and it has given a very good return in the last 1 year. Stock is up by 211%, and it's a good quality stock. The next news is about the Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has grown from its market cap has grown from $0.03 billion to $63 billion today, and it has given massive returns for the investors who had invested since 2008 2010 from that time frame. So if they had hold the stock or held the stock for that particular duration, 10 years, they would have made massive amount of wealth. The next news is about the Saregama. So it is another quality stock from in the music industry, and it has declared the results for the quarter. Revenue is up 158 crores versus 137 crores. Profit before tax at 58 crore versus 41 crores. So good numbers shown by this particular company. And then there is a comparison of the coins, top coins that were there in 2017. On the left hand side you can see there, these were the coins that were ranked top 20 coins in 2017, and in 2022 here is the list. So a lot of newcomers you can see here: Polkadot, Avalanche, then Solana, Polygon, Crypto, Uniswap, Algorand. So these new coins have come up and they have grown massively since the last 3-4 years. The next news is about the Visa Ethereum comparison. So Visa moved $10.4 trillion in payments volume in 2021, while Ethereum moved $11.6 trillion. So you can clearly see that Ethereum has, like, the volume in terms of the transaction volume, Ethereum is winning here. The next is about the Tata Elxsi Himadri Chemical. So since Tata Elxsi has declared the results, it has been rising, but in recent market crash it has come down. But for the long term investors, story continues. Just hold the stock, keep on holding the stock, and you will make good money. And also Himadri Chemical, another quality stock as well. The next news is about the crypto coins FTM, One, and Luna. So these coins have gained 10%, 50%, 20% of all-time highs. So they have been they have been down by these percentages, but they have shown good resistance. Like other cryptocurrency coins like BTC, ETH are falling, but these coins haven't fallen by that much percentage. They are still showing the resistance, and that's because they are the quality coins. And then the news is about the Tata Elxsi. As I said, they have declared the results, and the results have been very bumper results. For the long term investors, it's really good news. That's it in today's video. I will see you in next one. Till then, have a good day and bye bye.